Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can be able to buy baby cake. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So let me know where's your time. So make sure you smash the like button as I'm going to show you how you can be able to buy baby cake, and you're going to be using the lowest slippage fee as possible. So first of all, we gotta come right here. Come on your trust wallet, okay, and make sure you have BSC, okay. This one is what they call BSC. That's smart chain, Binance smart chain. Make sure you have some coin right there, okay. So if you have some coin right there, I mean this one right here for new beginners, okay. So you come right here, come on your dApps right there. Then what you do next is to come here, search. Let's search baby cake, okay. The coin has been increasing in price and I told people to buy it in my group, okay. So baby cake. So now we got a side there, okay. So if you sat that right now, you will see that something's going to appear. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, okay. So you can see this first one right here we have. You click on it. So if you click on it, what will happen is that it has been listed on CoinMarketCap and some other places like that. The coin is kind of like pumping, okay. So now what we do now is to kind of like come right here, okay. You just click here once like that. So if you click there, what will happen is that it will take us to BSC scan. Then what will happen is that we are going to copy the country address so we can be able to buy the coin, okay. So yeah, so let's wait for this to load. So that's how we roll. So now you can see that they have about 23,000 holders right now, okay. So I hope hopefully the coin is going to be increasing more. So let's kind of like come here, you copy the country address right there. Then after doing that, you just kind of like come here and click on that X right there. So we are out. So right now you just scroll around, okay. Scroll around, you're going to see something like your pancakeswap. So your pancakeswap should be the popular one right here. So you click on it. So if you click on it, what will happen is that we are going to buy the coin right there. So now make sure you are kind of like connected right there, okay. For new beginners, make sure you are connected and your Binance smart chain is connected, okay. So you do that after you are already connected. What you do next is to come here, click on the select currency. So if you select currency, what will happen is that you come right here and make sure you press the baby cake country address. So if you do that, you see the baby cake right there. Then what you do next is to kind of like click on it. So if you click on it right now, what will happen is that we are going to buy baby cake using the BNB right there, which is the BSC, okay. So what will happen is that we come right here. So I'm going to select this 0. Can I say 0.4? So let's see how many we got. Oh, okay, let's say 9, so we can see how many we have right there. Okay, people are kind of like buying in. You can see that the coin is kind of like changing in price and all that. We can say can do this 9 win. Let's see what happens. Okay, oh man, it's not better I do this 0 1. Like, oh no. Okay, you know what, let me just do this 0.6 so we know how many I'm gonna have. Okay, so I think this is a little bit better. Okay, so what we'll do right now is to or let's do this 2, okay, 2 for the sake of the of this tutorial. I'm so sorry my English though, my pronunciation. So now what you're gonna do right here is that you're gonna removing the 2 numbers right there. You add 0 1, okay. If not, you are not going to be able to buy with the 0.1 slippage fee. So you do this for yourself so you can be able to kind of like be able to buy without spending so much. So right now we click right there, okay, click on swap. So if you do that, what will happen is that we are going to be getting right here. Then you click on confirm swap. So you see that it will happen right now. So this is how much we are paying for $5, and we are paying only 83 cents for the network fee and all that. So we approve that. Okay, so I'm gonna put my passcode right now while you just wait for me. Okay, so I'm through. So let's see if this will work. So hopefully it has gone. Like I think it's already successful. So we come right here to know. Okay. Okay, it's still processing. Okay, so let's see what happens. Because I think I'm the first trying this. Like I'm the first to try this. So it went successfully. So you might kind of like use the same way to buy. Okay, so now we go back to our trust wallet, get on the wallet rather. Then you come here to search for your coin. If you are not seeing your coin, what you do is that you come right here. Okay, so what you do is that you come right here and then you paste in your contract address. So if you paste in your contract address right there, then you see the coin right there. What you do is that you enable that and click on BAB20. Okay, like click on the coin. Then let's see if I have one. Okay, don't worry, I'm gonna like check that later. So you see that the coin's already here right now. So what we do is that we go back, right now. Okay, I need to kind of like see that if we have a coin. Okay, we have it. You can see the coin right here is plumbing right now. Like you feel me? So that's a coin right there. I have another wallet. So I have like that's where I have my coin. Okay, that's where I have the baby doge in. So what you do is that you also do the same thing. The coin is a new coin, so I want you guys to make sure you don't miss out on anything. I'm going to be showing you guys, like I'm going to be making a review about it to tell you if the coin is a scam coin or if it's like if it's a coin that you can be able to hold for long time or something like that. So make sure you kind of like make sure you expect a video on there, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, share the video to your friends, and don't forget to share the video to their groups or anywhere that you know that people will kind of like find this information or this update very useful. Don't forget to kind of like keep on kind of like checking most of the videos I have here. It will help you a lot. Okay, and see you again.